this morning was supposed to be about going on a hike, trying some new gear, going for a kayak, doing some fishing, and staying on an island not too far from here. It's not working out that way. Me and Leemo, we're going to be bums. We're going to go to his joint, secret spot out the back, try out the gear, have some drinks, have some feed, and we'll do the kayak hike next time, because we can't be fucked. It's a long weekend. We've already had 2 days off. Well, I have. Actually, no. His first day's off today, because he worked half yesterday, but he's reaping the benefits. Yeah. We'll see what happens. As you can tell, it would have been a good morning on the water. Nice and sunny coming through that fog. I better get going. Got to get potatoes first. So we're here with Leemo. It's cracking, bro. We got to get the fucking ute out, and we're going to use that. Fuck the hiking, fuck the kayaks, fuck the fishing. We're bumming it. Exactly, the tree, right there. So we got to fuck this guy off to get that out. GoPro wanted to go too. Shit, there's a fucking tree coming. Yeah. Yeah, no, I've seen that. All good. Yeah, I know. I figured that. Trees I can handle, spider webs not so much. Yep. I'm filming. You gonna do a jump?
Okay.
Do a skid?
Can't do that. Ow!
Don't KO yourself, otherwise your mum's gonna come down and knock me ass out.
No, she's up there sleeping.
Oh, she'll know. Mothers know, man. Mothers know. Yeah, she's motorbike. How good is this shit?
Up there.
Yeah, this is definitely ready to burn. Me and Owen come down and hacked this up probably 2 years ago. All this stuff? No, all this. Oh, yeah. You'll see where it fell off and put a hole in the side of the trail. Yeah. Where's the is the trail after the rock? No, the boulder? It's this side of it. Oh, okay.
Daddy, what's this?
Well, you're in a bad spot if that rock lets go, eh? Yep. Leemo's gone up with little Jake. They're going to find the helmets so they can ride the bikes around here. And fire's going. Just trying to get the wood's a fair bit wet, so but it's going, so that's good. You can see over there, John, property owner. Thanks for letting us do this here, buddy. He's going to be starting a bonfire later on, so that's good timing. He wants to get it going now because he's going away in a few weeks. Going on a nice trip. Going on a nice trip. On a, not no. I'm going to have one of these to help with that speech impediment. And yeah, so he'll be gone. He's going on a nice trip over to WA. Lucky bastard. And yeah, so I'm just going to monitor the fire. I've got a bag and a half of coals over there. I normally wouldn't do this, but I tried them at home in the fire there, and they're just shit coals. So I thought I'll bring them here, and yeah, it'll help keep that flame going, that heat, and yeah, start setting up some. I don't know. It's not supposed to rain. It's actually a nice day. Yesterday was foggy as fuck, it's like all day, and so yeah, they've gone up to get another load of stuffs. See if Pete, Lee's missus slash Jake's mum, is awake, and she's got a toothache, teeth hurting. Can't wait till she gets down here. I can pick on her. I've known Pete for as long as I have Lee, and yeah, they're both good kids. We used to work together at paintball. Good times. And yeah, so just going to chill here with young Jacques, and yeah, just keep this going for the rest of the day. Maybe do some jaffles for lunch, and some steak for dinner. Set up the tent, try all this little fucking hiking gear shit I've got, which is sitting over there. I actually bought more shit than I normally would because we're doing this instead. I think I said that earlier. Who gives a fuck? So yeah, just gonna relax for a bit to the bellbirds. Ready, Jake?
Yep.
Right, it's in that zone. What was that one, mate?
It hit the tree. It hit the tree. Come on.
Hello? Alright, concentrate. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped my sunnies too.
bit lower for you. No. I'll try it a bit more gentle. Wow, you can get that.
Hey?
Did you film when I did this?
No, it's facing that way. Don't do it again. You're going to KO yourself.
Ow!
And he'll go to your mum. Oh,
Daddy, how long will this take?
What, the tent?
Yes.
Depends if I remember how to do it or not.
That's the weight of it. I think it's about two and a bit K. So I was just going to stick it on the
Can
bottom.
I see how heavy it
You
is?
sure can, man?
Not
What do you reckon?
heavy.
Do you reckon you could carry that 2,000 kilometres on your back? No? I couldn't either, don't worry about it.
I think I can.
You could?
I think I can, I said.
I couldn't.
How would do you know?
Hey?
How do you know?
Because I'm old. And
I'm
I couldn't do it. I know you're not old. That's why you could do it and I could not.
I can do it.
Hey?
I can do it.
He could. He's almost as old as me.
How many are you?
How many am I? I am 40. 40.
No, that is 100.
You're already 100, man. Yeah, judging by that beard, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Hey?
No, Daddy. Oh no.
Yeah, we're not finished yet. We've got to put the top on it.
What? Daddy, I'm blocking it. Daddy, I'm blocking. Daddy, I'm blocking it.
I wonder if that was the tip that went through. Could it have been?
Let's knock something out of the back of it, maybe, but we'll find out. Sorry, man.
You're right. It's the tip.
Yeah.
It fucking went over that way.
Oh, it's sick. I don't even bother looking for it.
Yeah, but it's silver.
Where's that
We might
crate?
see it. Might see it a little bit.
It's just so cool, Dad. It's really heat. Wow.
Even back here.
Oh yeah, I can feel it. Ah, fire! Oh, Daddy, come here. No, because there's a fire line. Red, purple.
Flamage. You alright there, Fox? What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for cheese? Cheese? Cheese.
Just waiting for it. Just waiting for it.
We just had some bean and cheese jaffles. They're alright. Hanging here with Foxy. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, Fox. What are you doing? You say hello? Come here. Come on up. No? You're going to stay down there. Okay. And I'm going to crack open a wild boar. 15%. Leemo and Jaco have gone up to the house and they'll be back soon. And we're gonna cook some fucking steak. What have I got? Ribeye, T-bone. Jake's got some chicken snags. I'm gonna stick that in a wrap for him. I got some taters. Foxy just peed on tomorrow's kindling. Fantastic. Now the bacon and eggs is going to smell like dog wee. Ah, you're a good kid. I'll let you off for that, buddy. You just farted. Still yet to try a steak on the coals.
What do you mean, straight on them?
Straight on them, man.
I think I've seen it.
Hey?
I think I've seen it be
Yeah.
done. All right. All right.
What are you doing?
Just having a look. Might have been a bit on the fire for. You heard it, didn't you?
What?
No, it could be a kangaroo bouncing around.
I didn't hear it.
No, I heard something. But it could just be a stick falling out of the tree.
We got the taters going. The steak. And the Jake. What's the Jake got? You got the snags on the wrap? Get your booty on. Leemo's got his, what is it? Ribeye?
Isn't that beautiful?
And taters. And I got me T-bone and taters. Say that again? Taters. No idea whether the camera can see that or not, but the point is, it knows the weight on my mouth. Anyway, I mean, that's good. It's hot. It's hot, but it's good. See you later, we're going to go eat.
That was good. Cheers, man.
No dramas, bro. Cheers for the invite to the local establishment.
Yeah, it was easier than
Daddy,
Yeah.
going down the river.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Fox found it.
He's got it. He's on the job. The nose always finds it. Fox.
Fox, when we throw it, Fox just doesn't know where it goes. He just finds it. He
does.
just tries to find it.
He's got a good schnoz.
Look, he's searching for it. He's searching. He's Mom! I'm the monster!
Yes,
He's
you
the
are.
bucket. I'm the monster of that bucket.
I need to fart. That went dunk. This sleep system sucked. The mattress is too small. The pillow was alright. It let it be that big. And what else? Yeah, I need a bigger mattress. Like wider. And the sleeping bag goes up to my tits. And I could barely move my arms. Actually, I could barely get my arms in and out of it. So I'll be fucking not using this one again. Unless I want to keep my legs warm. Alright, it's fucking loud every time I turned. It's going rubber dub dub. Like that. Hey Leemo, did you hear the ruse after I got up and started the fire?
Oh, no.
Fox was barking at him.
Oh, I heard him barking at something.
Yeah, man, there was at least two,
Yeah.
and they were huge. Like the stomp that they were doing on the ground.
Oh, yeah, that noise is normally their tail thudding.
Yeah,
When
not like big reds and shit, but they sounded hefty. How you going? Hey, Fox. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he was curled up right next to the fire when I got up. And yeah, he was shaking. I started it and then, yeah, he was all good. Oh, yeah. Hey, talking to you. Kangaroo chaser.
Yeah, I could hear every movement on that mattress.
Oh, so could I. And I was doing it. It sucked. It's annoying me.
Yeah, I forgot how good my sleeping bag was. It's that colour. Big, warm.
Yep.
And it's that thick. It's almost like an extra layer of padding that you're laying on.
Yep. I'll probably use that one as like putting it down underneath me. Because me big man camper man, in that, I can get it all the way over me and tuck it back in. I can do that.
Yeah, yeah.
And I can at least do that.
Yeah.
That thing, I was just like this.
Yeah, it's not
And
comfy.
it's just, oh.
You can't even bend
Fuck,
your
it was
knees to
annoying,
turn
eh?
around.
Like I was making too much noise doing it, and I just wanted to go, fuck. The Gerber axe is all right. The Gerber knife is not. It sucks. What are you sniffing for? What are you sniffing for? You can't eat plastic. Despite the minimalism, I still brought a heap of shit.
You changed your plans when you knew you were doing this stuff.
Yeah, I grabbed like fucking more food and shit, stuff, drinks. Funny that. We're signing out.
I'm just there.
Camera. Jake, bring it in, bro. Cheers for coming. Cheers for having me. As always, take your shit home with you. Don't be a grub.
Take yours.
You take yours.